Good evening, companions and tutor. My name is Damián Andrés Muñoz Caballero. I am a student of system engineering at the UNAT University. My opinion about the influence of technology and its action in the environment. I can say that it has two important and good and bad ideas. Technology must be an ally facilitate the production of products that improve lives. The negative things about the use technology in relation to the environment are pollution is one of the biggest problems since the produce pollution gains. The fact that trees are cut down is first resort. The extraction of minerals notoriously affects the azure application of technological means the seek improve the life the human being but God, talking about those the thing that help environment. Positive advance we can talk about use of solar and invention of panels that help replace of oils, the use of technology drug, cloud storage at this decrease paper consumption. Another good example, there are applications that help identify areas of danger collapse, indicate evacuation zones, the use of drones for the care of nature, and so many invasions. The technology is poorly focused many of times simple on the other hand. Smart homes are more ecological. Another aspect possibly affects environment is the use new technologies in which we spend much more energy during the day or house. There are more smart homes around the world that help the current of energy. People tend to waste a lot of electricity and heating and cooling throughout of the year. The temperature is usually kept very high during the winter and very low during the summer. The temperatures is the reason why the new smart homes have control devices, the suction temperatures, sensors, and smart thermostats to regulate it to temperate and save on air conditioning. In this way, I can be used in much more responsible way.